Hello, viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss no version is set to command yarn. Consider adding following versions in your config file. How do you do this, guys? For that, guys, you have to add one command, that is asdf local nodejs 18.15.0. This will actually set the nodejs version, and also you can set the yarn version, same asdf local yarn, and whichever the version you can. Okay, 1.22.19. Now you try with yarn minus v, that is the version which you're trying to add. Click on enter. So once you click on enter, you can see the version, that is 1.22.19, which is added to it. Now what you do yarn install. So yarn install is working fine. Now it is not asking the log file, or it is not asking, there is no version set for yarn. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye.